Hey guys, so if you've been on Reddit, I'm going through some issues. I don't know what happened exactly, but somehow my actual Daddy Dersh account got suspended, and it's not even from like Wall Street Bets or anything like that. It's actual Reddit, like the Reddit as a whole, suspended my account. I'm not really sure what happened or why. But I'm doing the best I can to get the account back. As of right now, no luck. I'm in the process of appealing. In the meantime, I do have a new account that I'm trying to get back up on my karma so I can post again. That account is Spy Optionaire. So if you want to follow me on there, and just for future reference, if anything like this ever happens again, I would never ever just leave without telling you guys what's going on. That's not my style. Um, Obviously, I don't trade in a way to blow myself up to where I would have to leave anyways. But if like something else happened and I was ever just going to leave, I would tell you guys. I would just tell you what's going on. So if you ever just can't find me and if something like this happens, I have Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, all these different places. Try to reach out to me. Don't just assume that I abandoned you guys. So, all right, we're just gonna do a quick video tonight. Biggest thing to note here is that we came back up. We hard rejected the supply and resistance at 399. So this is now 3 days in a row of failing to close over 399. And now we close back under the daily AEMA. So this really, if you look at it, is a pretty big gravestone doji. So after coming down and recovering, one would assume that leads to downside. And you can almost, you see what we're doing here. We're coming down, we're popping, coming down, popping. So we're really in the downtrend here. My target for tomorrow simply is 390.1. We break through that, then I'm looking for 386. I have some 29 DTE 392 puts. My goal is to hit 386 with those and close those and then reevaluate. For me, until we establish a new demand, whether that be over 386 or somewhere between 376 and 386, I'm not planning to go long. However, whenever we do make that new demand, which will be a support, I will take a long and try to play that back up, which hopefully will probably be to 399 again. Take a look at futures here. So same thing, massive movement. Pretty impressive here is that we came all the way down here. We almost hit the 39.45, which is our demand support, but we also hard rejected almost to the penny off of 40.40. So basically, same thing here. This 40.40 supply resistance is a massive level. And kind of what I'm actually envisioning is going to happen here is we have this double supply at 40.40 and 40.55. And I'm looking for us to come down somewhere between 38.88 and 39.45 and make a new demand. Honestly, it might even be 39.20 and turn this into a double support. And then we are basically in this about 160 to 170 point range, and that's pretty much where I envision us to stay if that happens. Now, if we just keep breaking through 38.88, then I'm still looking for the 3700s eventually. The VIX, we had a big old pop on the VIX, but same thing as these days back here. By end of day, all the hedges were taken off, or the VIX at least unwound. So people are panicking, people are getting into their long-term puts and things like that, but they're not staying in them yet. The dollar continues to fall. However, we look like we're finally hitting a level at this 102.48 where we could bounce. So I'm going to be looking for a bounce up on the dollar, which should take stocks lower. The 10-year here, so this is now after hours here, we're actually pushing pretty significantly low. So we did close another new low. So the rates made a new low. We're still in this massive drop here. And interestingly enough, if we go much lower, we're going to start looking at September time period on our rate. So definitely looking to see if this continues to see a drop in the rates or not. Taking a look at Bitcoin. I haven't looked at Bitcoin in quite a few days here, like on an actual daily chart, but we're still had that massive move up, but we're seeing some really nice consolidation right here from this 27.3 to 28.4K range. This really seems about a $1,000 range that we're in right now, so keep your eye on that. But yeah, like I said, we're just doing a short video tonight. I'm working on the Reddit situation, but I hope you guys had a good day trading today. We killed it in the Discord. I will see you guys tomorrow.